Hey friends, gardening season is rolling around and I'd like to do a quick review on what to wear to protect your hands and work in the garden. Now, first, these guys over here, I've got two pairs of these. One that are not insulated and then an insulated variety here. These are amazing for working in cold weather, wet conditions. But most of the time, I'm wearing these guys here. This is the best solution you can see. I mean, I've worn these a lot, and they come in packs. I mean, you can pick up a pack of these guys for like $5 to $7. And I really like it how they're really fully coated with the rubber right around the fingertips, yet they're breathable on the top of the hand. And, you know, if you lose one, it's no big deal because gloves get lost. You guys who metal detect, grubbing around in the dirt, these are great things to wear. Plus, they can grab the detector really easily. They're very tactile. It's almost like not wearing a glove at all, yet look at that kind of protection. Now, on to leather gloves. I just picked these up today. This is a full split grain leather. This is the Construx brand. I always like the breathability on the top of a glove. I like the way that these go around the fingertips. What I like about these leather ones is that they're great for protecting your hands as far as any like hardcore abrasion or anything like that. They could even be good bicycle gloves or skateboarding or kick scooting or something where if you do risk falling and you're going to slide on asphalt, you are going to protect your hands with these split grain leather gloves. Yet many gardeners will choose to wear a leather glove, as I notice, season after season, because even though they might get dirty and really grimed up, they are going to last. Whereas these guys that come in the packs, the working hands gloves, that thin rubber layer that's kind of coated on the backing of this thin nylon is you're going to wear holes through them and they're going to fray, they're going to rip and get torn, but it's really not a big deal because you can just pick up another pair. These are more expensive. So the problem with that, of course, is that gloves and hats, you know, at least for me, they get lost. So I like to have a pair of these on hand, but honestly, I don't wear these in the garden. And actually, to be honest, most of the time, this is what I'm wearing in the garden are my bare hands. I plant seeds barehanded. I weed barehanded, and then I just rinse off my hands or wipe them. Usually I ended up wiping them on the grass, and then I'll come home and I will clean out my cuticles with a brush like this with soap and water, and I'll scrub my hands. I always keep this by the sink. Please post your comments below. Protect your hands, and thanks for watching.